Good morning, you beautiful ocean nomads. Here from a still early sunny Almere. I'm on windfall, and that made me think that it's almost the 9th of October, and the 9th of October I will be joining the Ocean Nomads flotilla from Mallorca to Tenerife. 2 boats, 2 crews, 2 legs, all the ingredients to have an epic adventure together on the sea. With hopefully a lot of beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Hopefully we see a lot of wildlife. We're gonna definitely cook very nice and healthy food. 2 big mal builders. You wanna learn about ocean sailing and experience it. A lot of skill building, mal building. If you're interested also to maybe set sail even further to the Caribbean, it's a very nice way to start your journey with Ocean Nomads. Check out the website and hopefully see you there. Peace.
Hanging out at cozy, washing your clothes at Starbucks, stealing stuff from